How to get $100 Priceline discount codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Priceline discount code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working coupon code for Priceline. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Coupon Follow. This is the legit website. Once you're on the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Priceline. Just scroll down and check out the offers. 60% off, $30 off, $250 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Now I can copy the code. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Redeem at Priceline. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, log into your account and use this code. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Priceline. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working coupon code for Priceline. So this way you can easily get up to $100 Priceline discount codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.